Welcome back to my channel. Today's solid tutorial I will be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Okay, let's do the top plane. So sketch, and the top plane shows up. We're doing a circle. Let's do the system option general and document properties. Unit is on inch. Click OK. Now let's measure the diameter of the circle. Width is maybe 10 in inches. Regenerate the model with the current value and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. Down. Offset the circle to 2.5. Reverse it. Let's say 1.5 and reverse it. Reverse. So goes in. So now there's a 1.5 as offset coming inside the circle. Now let's do the picture and extrude boss. Going up, extruded this is the extruded selected contours. That's the region 1. So it's blind going up. So let's say 1.5, or let's put it as 2 inch. Now it's a rounded circle, and then let's cut it in half, the circle itself, or the solid. So let's press that one, and then sketch, then insert a line. So we'll insert from here to, let's say, here. Select, and then dimension it as a degree. So it's 135 degrees, and then I wanted to cut this whole thing by means of that line. Pictures, extrude. So also throughout all, and cut the other way around, and cut. Then flip side to cut. See, that is good to go. And now I wanted to have this portion to be shelled. This shell command, press that one, and let's say 0.5 is the unit. Let's see this, show the preview. Maybe we just put it as 0.25. So it's more, there's some space to be shown on the solid area. So let's click OK. Now there is now a shell that has been made. And now I'm gonna make something like a round thing here, like a pipe going from the other side. So let's do those things. Press the paste and normal too, and sketch a circle. Dimension it as 0.75. Let's say that is 1. Exactly the same. And this one also. It's 0.75. Okay. And now offset that circle to 0.1. That is reverse. Now you have those circle now made into the paste then. And now let's go out of the sketches, and then let's make a drawing. Let's say top. Yeah, it's on the top. I had to make a plane going up, so it will be 0.7, 1.00 inch, so it's in the middle. So I wanted to have a sketch on the plane then, the plane 1. So let's do the sketch from here to that point. Let's say that is 8.5 in inches, and get out the dialog box. Okay, let's go again on the sketch in front of it, and then let's have a line here from here to here, and also a line also here to here, and then I wanted to cut that line inside them. So let's trim the entity. Okay, so it goes like that. Now let's close the sketch. And go to the picture, and then use the sweep boss. Let's sketch up the profile. It's right there. I wanted to have this circle now, and then the sketch pipe is right there. The profile. Yeah, the part of the profile. And then click OK, and this plane one, close it. Now I wanted to cut also, and I wanted to cut something here, so let's do some plane normal 2. Now we're gonna remove a portion of this one, so we're gonna make a sketch again, normal to our front, and then sketch, and then put a line from here, then another line from here, this one will be solid. So now I wanted to cut both of them, cut from here, so this line and this line, so both of them will be cut, flip side cut. Now they have been cut on different area. Now I wanted to make to draw or sketch from the front plane. So let's do that one. Sketch on the front plane. Normal 2. Let's do that one. And this one is 2. The unit is in inch. Regenerate and then save. And this one will be 1.5 inch. Regenerate and close. Let's do the normal again. Convert entities. And press the shift key. And this one. So it will be fixed. Coincident. Now it goes through. And this one will be in construction. So it will not be, you see that it was like a center line construction then. Then you want to make a connection from here to here then. So let's get out of the sketches and then go on the top plane. Not the top plane, but it's the other one, the plane 1. Plane 1, sketch again, and then make a round or circle. Then put the measurement. This one 8.5. Then let's put center line. Cut those 2. Another one from here. So I could cut it from here. So you see, I just cut the line on that side. So now you can run it along this path. So now I close the dial or the sketches now. There's 2 sketches right now. One is the sketch 8 and then sketch 9. So let's go to the picture and sweep boss. From here, the sketch profile. then the path is right there. So control, let's do this one first. Edit the sketch. Okay, I'll just check something. Okay, that's good enough. Show. Just remove the merge result. Okay. Okay, I wanted to have a shell here like the same as this one. So let's put a shell. That is the thickness of the shell. And this is the pieces to remove. And then show the preview. It will show now the preview that will be removed. Click OK. Now it's done. And save. Now let's put some color in it. Just move this one, clear it up. Color of the boss extrude, the first one, will be red, including the shell. Get out of the color. Then another one. Let's remove the exercise. Clear it up. And the sweep. Let's put it as yellow. Oops, there's no. The sweep. This one. The sweep. Let's do it again. The sweep is right there. Sweep color will be yellow. Now the sweep here, and the shell will be change also the color to green. This one now will be the base of red, and also this one. Now it's all a little bit nicer to look at.